everyone, and welcome to The Breakdown. Today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to make money with affiliate marketing. Now, before we get on into the video, I do want to say that if you do enjoy videos about business, about cryptocurrency, about tech, that sort of thing, please do consider subscribing to the channel. I make awesome videos 5 days a week. You won't regret it. So, how do you make money from affiliate revenue? If you've stumbled on this video, I'm sure you've tried some sort of affiliate marketing before. If you haven't, welcome to the industry. This is, I think, a good place to start. But if you've tried affiliate marketing in the past and it hasn't worked for you, I'm curious how you've done it, because a lot of companies promote you to go around and spam your link everywhere. Post it to Facebook, post it to Twitter, get it everywhere. And while that method might work for a few, it doesn't work for many. Affiliate marketing has gotten a bad rap over the years because of this type of tactic, and I just don't support it. I don't think it's ethical. So I'm going to teach you guys how to ethically promote products with affiliate links and how to actually make money from it in a genuine way. Over the years, I've had tons of success promoting affiliate products through different sorts of YouTube videos, blog posts, things like that. So I want to come out here and kind of tell you guys how I've done that. So first and foremost, when you're promoting an affiliate product, you need to be providing genuine help to people. So many times I see people promoting affiliate products and it feels like they're just spamming it. Like they don't even know what product it is. They're just promoting it because they have a chance of making a referral commission. That is not what you want to do. You won't get many sales and you'll just end up looking not trustworthy. So how do you fix that? Well, most of my success with affiliate products has been promoting it through how-to content. Saying, hey, here's how to do this thing. This is the platform I'm going to be using. Or, hey, I'm going to teach you how to do this thing. However, it's kind of technical. It's kind of hard to do it. It's kind of hard to get this thing going. Here's a paid solution that will do it for you and get it done easily. So what you're doing there is providing a help. You're saying, hey, I'm going to teach you how to do this thing. But sometimes your computer's not good enough. Sometimes you just don't have the technical know-how. You can't do this. You can't do that. You don't want to learn. It's easier to just spend a couple bucks and get it done that way. And that's the most effective way I've found to promote affiliate products and get them out there to an audience. Now, not every product lends themselves to this type of marketing. So you could also provide a top 10 list. You could also provide a, hey, here are the best products of this in this industry. That's another way to promote affiliate products and actually provide content that is worth a damn. Because spamming links is not. However, providing actually good content that people want to read, engage with, talk to you about, that is worth a damn, and that is how you can actually get some affiliate sales. Don't spam your product, mention it once, maybe twice, and that's it, and be genuine. That moves me on into my next point. You've got to be genuine. You've got to disclose it's an affiliate link. In the past, I've not done this, and it's never worked for me. Every time I say, hey, this video is sponsored by, hey, this link is an affiliate link, it's worked out well for me. So make sure you do that. Make sure you disclose an affiliate link. If you link something and it's an affiliate, just tell your audience. Nobody's gonna get mad. Affiliate marketing is part of this anymore. And just a little side note, do not promote an affiliate product that charges the customer more if they use the affiliate link. That is stupid. Don't do that, right? Doesn't make any sense. You want the best for your audience. You want the best for the people coming to watch your content. So if that's the case, make sure that they are not gonna get charged more when they use an affiliate link. I've only seen one company over the years do this, and you better believe I didn't work with them. So whatever you do, make sure that you are genuine. That includes using the product, by the way. If you don't use a product, do not promote it. It just doesn't make any sense. Now, you're providing helpful content, you're being genuine with your audience, disclosing that you're promoting an affiliate product, but it helps if you can actually get people to this content. Because if it's good content, people will enjoy it, they will engage from it, and thus they will purchase from the product you're promoting. So if you want to know how to do this with YouTube, I've got a link down below to an ebook we wrote. It's over 15,000 words that tells you how to set up a YouTube channel and optimize it for success and growth and all of that stuff. It's awesome. Go check it out down below, and it will really help you build an affiliate marketing business if you're looking to do that. Now, I wanted to end this video with just some affiliate program recommendations. These are ones that I've used over the years, ones I've found success with. So first and foremost, an affiliate program I could not recommend enough is Amazon's. Amazon's affiliate program is tried and true, and over the years, we have made quite a bit from promoting products on Amazon. The good thing about Amazon affiliate is it doesn't just pay for the product you refer, it pays for everything in their cart. So if someone goes to Amazon, they buy groceries, and they also have one of your items in the cart that you referred, you get an affiliate commission for that entire cart, that entire purchase, all of their groceries and and the product you refer them. That's something not many affiliate programs do, and I really do respect that and like that about Amazon. It allows you to make some unexpected money from other things people might buy on Amazon. Next one I would promote is game servers. Now, as you can tell, the gaming industry is kind of where I come from with affiliate marketing. Game servers is, well, a game server hosting company, such as Team Fortress 2, Minecraft, Counter-Strike Go, stuff like that. The good thing about their referral program is the commission is the first month of server hosting. So if someone goes and buys a $25 server, you get a $25 commission. You're not gonna see that in many other programs. And last but not least is actually G2A.com. G2A is an awesome affiliate program, and over the years it has just built up and built up and built up. So go check it out, and I have used G2A's affiliate program for years, and I buy all my games on G2A, so it makes sense for me to promote them because I love them, I use them, and that's something, if you don't use any of these products, do not promote any of these products. You've got to enjoy the product you're promoting, you've got to use it. And there you guys have it. I might throw some more affiliate programs down below as well as in our article, which is linked down below, but those are the ones I'm going to recommend here. If you guys have any questions, post them in the comment section down below. Let me know if I missed something. This has been The Breakdown. I am Nick. Subscribe to the channel, like the video. I am out, guys. Peace.